I'm with she. I'm Shalane and this is my little sister
Shiona.
Today we are going to do LeakProof bag experiment. For this we would need Ziploc bag, pencils and water. Let us begin. First we need to fill the Ziploc bag with water. Seal it up. We have to take a pencil and pierce through the Ziploc bag. Now you see there's no leakage. See? No leakage. The reason for this experiment is the bag is made up of flexible polymer. So when the pencil goes through the bag, the molecules of the polymer seals the edges of the pencil. That's why there's no leakage. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and then press the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, like and share it with your friends. Bye!